In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add the NOL card to Apple Wallet. Begin by opening the Wallet of Apple application on your device. Look for the plus icon on the top right corner and then tap on it. You'll be directed to the Add to Wallet page with various options. Among the options, choose a card or transit card, as it's a travel card. You'll see a list of available cards from different countries. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your card, which is NOL. Once found, tap on it to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your transit card, and this will automatically import your card details into Apple Wallet. Follow any further on-screen instructions to finalize the process, and your transit NOL card will be now linked to your accessible Apple Wallet. If your transit card isn't available in the list, you may need to wait until it's supported in your country. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.